Hi everybody, Joe Reevy again, talking to you about legal RSS and MyInfoNet. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly how terribly easy it is with these systems in order to really massacre the local competition on social media. Basically, the system allows you to link through the settings tab into an account at Buffer, which is, if you're not familiar with it, does the same job as Hootsuite. It basically allows you to schedule out loads and loads of content across your social media platforms, all of them. So if you want to, you find a piece of content that you particularly want to push out through social media and you want to fill up your buffer stack, all you got to do is click Buffer Now, Buffer Now, Buffer Now, all the ones you want all the way down, and they will immediately be buffered. As soon as this changes to sent, that will go out via Buffer. There you go. And that is now in my buffer stack. That will go out through all my social media and off you go. So managing social media no longer need take hours and hours and hours a week. If you've got the content and you can put your own content into this, or you can use the content that we've supplied, there are 7,500 items there nearly. You can just go bang, out it goes, job done, get on with something else. One of the cool things about legal RSS. I'll be back with something else when I can think of something else to do. Bye.